Hi everybody, Sandy here. Welcome to my channel. I've been trying to do this video for a couple of days. I got this box, huge box from Country Craft Creations, I think Thursday. And I have just now cut it open and I haven't looked. This is the warehouse mystery box. I did only purchase one, but I wanted to show you what you get for the $60 that you spend when you get one of these boxes. You don't get to choose the collections or anything. That's why it's called a mystery, and it's filled with collections that are in the warehouse that are needing to be moved out so new stuff can come in. We all like new stuff, but I have a feeling there's going to be some good stuff in this. I've seen pictures of others that have received theirs, so I'm excited to share it with you. And I'm going to turn off the camera for just a second, put this on the floor so that I can take it out of the box. So let's get ready to take a peek. Okay, sorry about the glare. I'm going to take it out of the plastic. This is how it comes inside the box. It's all stuffed inside plastic to protect it, a plastic bag. So I've opened it up on one side here to get into it. On the other side is a coupon that I'm not going to show you the code, that you get a $5 kickback this time that you can apply to your next order. That's pretty cool. So that makes that you spent really just $55 plus shipping for this mystery box. So let's flip this out, save the coupon. Make sure you save yours. You don't want to lose it if you were lucky enough to do that. So first up here, they're all individually bagged, which tells me that probably this is a full collection. Okay, so I'm going to move the others out of the way. So let's take a look at this first one here. So I did not have this one before. This is called Crop Till You Drop by Photoplay. Super, super cute. I can think of some great ideas to make with this. I've seen some other projects, I think, done by Country Craft Creations designers that might be perfect for one of these. You know, to use this collection on would be so much fun. So let's take a peek at it, and then I'll have to put it back in the bag later. So this is one of the ones I got. Like I said, I got the 12 by 12 collection, which is 12 sheets of 12 by 12 double-sided cardstock, designer cardstock, and a sheet of designer 12 by 12 cardstock stickers. So this is what the papers look like. I'm just going to thumb through them. I don't want to take up a lot of your time on this because I don't know if you can even order this now because it is in a mystery box. But I want you to see what you do get in a box. So you get the full collection. Looks like I got 2 of each sheet. Love me some plaid there. Yeah, I got 2 of the plaid. There it is. Love these little icons, and the pink is just really adorable on the back side. I really like that. So if you don't want it for craft projects or for crops, you can do your B-sides and come up with a really fun collection. This one is the dots and the stripes. So by getting 2 of each, I have quite a bit to work with. This one's cute with the paint splatters. And then, of course, the sticker sheet. But not only that, they slipped in with this, the 12 by 12, the super cute 6 by 6 paper pad, which is great for cards. So it's the same images. I'm not going to open that. And then I also got the ephemera pack, which has, so this one is different. This is Happy Crafting Ephemera Pack by Cartabella. What is this one? This one's Cartabella's too. Yeah, this is different paper collection. So this is Photoplay and the 12 by 12. That's cool. I got the 6 by 6 by Cartabella. Pay more attention, shouldn't I? It's kind of exciting. It's kind of like your birthday or Christmas. But anyway, I'm going to flip through this. Look how cute this one is with all the crafting. But like I said, your back sides, your B sides, if you don't want the crafty elements for a project, will work wonderfully. So there's a lot of things you can do with that. So I got this, the 6 by 6, and the ephemera that goes with it. And how many pieces are in there? Don't know if it says 34 die cut cardstock pieces. I love cardstock pieces. Okay, so there's that one. Move this out of the way. Next up is, oh, the cow came out. Oh, it's a Christmas one. Woo! Yowza, bazanga. All right, take it out of the plastic. Turn it over. So this is Season's Greetings. I have not had this one. I'm assuming it's from last year's collection. So this is the 12 by 12, and I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Looks like 9, maybe more. So I've got the cut aparts here with this lovely dot. So I got 2 of those. This is obviously single sheets, not the collection. I got these cut aparts with the big, great for 12 by 12 layout, or you can fussy cut and cut the paper and use it, or use the cut aparts. I got the snowflakes with these cut aparts. That's the blue snowflakes, and I got red ones, and that has dots on the back side. That's really pretty. And then I got the solids. So this is blue and cream. Got 2 of those. I got, looks like green and red, and 2 of those. So that's really cool. Make a fun folio with that. Put this over this way. But then I also got the chipboard accents. This is a Cartabella collection called Season's Greetings. Got the chipboards. And I got the matching ephemera pack. That's fun. Oh, and stamps. So this is great for cards. You can make cards with this. This is the designer stamps by Cartabella, Season's Greetings. Merry Christmas, ho ho. With a lot of good size stamps for cards. And then also the matching adhesive brads. Those are fun. They don't have actual brads on the back, so you can just stick them on and kind of decorate. And then I got the 6 by 6. That's great for cards. I may have to do a tutorial on some cards. And I got the sticker book. I love a sticker book. Have you ever had a sticker book like these? I just absolutely love them. You get so many stickers. So like this Season's Greetings adhesive sticker book comes with, how many? Oh, there's the front side. 16 pages of them. So I don't know how many you get, but look at them. Aren't they cute? Look at the snowman. They're calling them cardstock stickers, so they're a little thicker. Absolutely adorable. Got great sayings, great for cards. Can't believe they had this left over to put in a warehouse sale. Anyway, love some stickers. You got some titles, some letters. So there's that. And then next, oh, I'm excited about this one because I never did get this one either. This is Echo Park's Be Happy. I've seen some designer, Country Craft Creations designer projects with this. So cute. Look at the paper collection colors and the papers. So this is a full collection, 12 by 12. You get 12 of the double-sided papers and 12 by 12 element sticker sheet. So let's look at this. And I got some of the goodies that go with it. I'm already very pleased, very excited with this mystery box that I got. Okay, so Be Happy. Look at this. Isn't this pretty? If you didn't order this, you're going to wish you had. I don't know why I didn't order it in the first place myself. Probably because I have so many papers, but look at the bees. Aren't they cute? If I don't get to make something this year, next spring or summer, I definitely, look at this stripe. Can see me making something. Now, the great thing about this for me as a designer is that I can use these collections to pattern an album or folio that I design for a design team package. Use these for my prototype to see how it works, to see if everything comes together the way I envision it. And then in the tutorial, I can make my actual project using the design team package papers that I get. There's the stickers, okay? And then I got the solids. So I think these were added in. These are about, added in single sheets. So I got 2 of the yellow and green, light yellow and green, 2 of the dark yellow and black, 2 of the light blue and yellow. So pretty. So that's what I got as far as that paper is. Love it. Okay, let's see what the ephemera is. So I got the 34 count die cut cardstock pieces. Loves cardstock. And the 34 frames and tags. Love frames and tags. So that's going to be fun. I'm not opening these up. And then I have one more package here. So, ready for this? Perfect for this time of the year. It's fall. So I'm assuming this is from last year. Don't know. I assume so. Why would they be clearing out anything that's new for this year, right? So let's open this. But bonus for me, it's a collection that I did not receive or buy. So this is bonus. Everything is new. Nothing is a repeat. So awesome. Okay, so this, since it doesn't have a title page, is obviously single sheets from the shelf. And this is Cartabellas. I love Cartabellas because of the texture. Fall Fun. So this is the sticker sheet. And then the papers, looks like I got 1 of each, unless it doubles up further down. Let me turn this around. I got it upside down. Okay, journaling cards 6x4, so that's that side. So there's the cards. Fall Harvest Air. I did get 2 of those. Very pretty. Seasonal sunflowers. Ooh, I love that. It's pretty. Freshly Fallen. Is that the same one? Yes. Freshly Fallen. So I got 3 of those. Here is the sunflowers. So I got 2 of the sunflowers. What is this? Tartan number 3. So this is a totally different collection, but it goes with it. It's great. This is the Carlisle Plaid, Tartan number 3, Cartabella. But look at that. That's awesome. So this is Tartan number 3's in the beige, Durham Plaid. So that's the name of it. That's the collection. I've never seen this one. Look at that. And this one is Nixon Plaid, Rochester Plaid. Oops. Oh my gosh, I love these plaids. York Plaid. Why have we not bought all these? Okay. Warwick Plaid. 2 of those. York Plaid. Look at that. Do I already have that one? York Plaid? No. Or did I? Yes, I got 2 of those. There it is. Rochester Plaid. So I have 2 of those. Fun, fun, fun. These are great fall plaids. Nixon Plaid. So I have that one. I've got 2 of those. There it is. And Durham Plaid. That's going to be, do I have that already? Right there. Fun. And then, of course, the cut-aparts here of the Fall Fun, which is on this beautiful plaid. And the stickers. Okay. So that's great. That's wonderful. But I also got, look at this mega pad. 48 double-sided papers of the Fall Fun. Cards are a 6x6 or 6.5 by 6.5 album for sure. Look at this. Flip through there. It's so fat I can't flip through it. Let's try to thumb through it. Look at it. Isn't that pretty? Oh, look. See, I didn't have that pumpkins. Look at these. Look. There's the leaves. Look at that. Plaid. So cute. Oh, the sunflowers. I absolutely love the sunflowers. Cut aparts. Repeats again. Oh my goodness, so much fun. This is a fabulous pad. And then fall fun. It's kind of slipped out of the packaging. Puffy stickers. There we go. Puffy stickers. Those are so cute. Look at them. They're little. Perfect on cards. Kind of a little bit of dimension, but not much. Okay, so that is my mystery box that I got, that I purchased myself from Country Craft Creations. They sold out. I think it was a couple of hours. You have to really jump on there, buy this. Don't buy anything else when you do, so that you can get it. You do pay for the shipping. It's $60. I think the value is like estimated at around $150 or something. I heard that somewhere or saw that. I don't know. But I don't know how often she does it. She just does it seasonally, you know, maybe a couple times a year. I'm not going to, don't write that down that I know what I'm talking about, because I don't. She does it when she needs to. So she just did one. I don't know if there'll be another one. You need to be a member of Scrapbookers of Country Craft Creations on Facebook, because we get notified of it first. And so if you're not a member, go to Facebook, type in there, search for Scrapbookers of Country Craft Creations. And then you have to answer, I believe it's 3 questions. Don't skip those. Answer every question. Everything checks out, then you'll be made a member. So much goes on in that group. People share their projects they make with the Country Craft Creations tutorials by the designers. The designers share their projects, and products and sales and things are shared there. So you want to be on there. If you want to be in the crafty know-it-all and you love to shop at Country Craft Creations, you definitely want to get in on that. So I'm going to snap a picture of this for my video thumbnail and get this uploaded and share it with all of you. So remember to shop at countrycraftcreations.com. These are sold out. I'm just sharing so that next time you'll know what to expect. You'll jump in there and get you one. And if you haven't already subscribed to my channel, I hope that you do. Subscribe, click the bell so you'll be notified of my next video. Give me a thumbs up, like, and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.